Batisi TV Lone Rashapi Daka Frank Motors Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai Junka Tata Motors Halatko Ni Shillong Rinkat Bakanet Foodish Ordar Mapi Ninwan Ramani Hakir Dobiying Jompi
Chief Electoral Officer Jongka Jilla uba Frederick Roy Karkongor hakasngi tho ding ka arpu sautrik ubna jilleo arajar arpu ar ula pentip ba katanat penyaj election Jongka Jilla kalanang Pynkhreh shat ha kabayedei bat ke election Jied President Bathamai Jongkari India kaban salong hakakat pratarik ubna naitung arajar arpu ar hakajingya keren bat ka Batisi TV uba Karkongor ulayatho ba katanat penyaj election kalaya lang bat ke Meghalaya Legislative Assembly ban penya yakane ke election da ka ba ajing hikai nadong shadong yaki officer bat yaki nongtre jong ka yeng dorbar thau an ke jilla hagajo kapor ulayatho ba UMP jong ka Raja Sabha na Meghalaya u Dr. One Way Roy Karluki ulade pha yaka jing tho sha ka Election Commission of India da ka ba punpau yaka jing angnot ban ya shimbenta haga jing tap vote na Shillong.
So as we all know that the presidential elections are fixed on the 18th of July and the Gazette notification has also already been published, and the proposers also, they gone to Delhi yesterday to submit their their proposals in the sense that in the capacity as proposers to sort of show the support to the candidate. So from the Office of the Election Commission, we are fully geared up along with the Office of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly to conduct the forthcoming polls, and in that connection we've already had one round of briefing and we've already had one round of training with the Assembly election officials, and the next round will be the hands-on training which we'll be having with the Assembly officials, whereby there will be demonstrations on how to conduct the elections, because this time, as we know, the elections will be held by way of the ballot box and not the EVM, and also the manner in which the elector has to vote also is slightly different, in the sense that they have to display their preferences for the candidate. So from Assembly they have already circulated an official advisory to the electors on various forms and the manner in which the elections are to be held, and we will be having another round of training after this demo round. Our officers will also be going to Delhi along with the Assembly officials to collect the ballot box, and once the ballot box comes, then it will be kept securely in the strong room, and all protocols and all procedures will be followed. And we also got information that the MP might be voting from Shillong, so the application also has already, his application has already gone to Delhi. The number of new MLAs, that figure is available with the Assembly Secretariat, and they have communicated to all the MLAs, existing and new ones, and they have issued advisories whereby these new manner of, a manner of voting for presidential election has been clearly mentioned. And also from our side, we will also be having some awareness in form of posters inside the polling hall, and that will be prominently displayed in all the places, so that the honorable members will be in a position to vote in the prescribed manner. Also, another thing is we are still in the midst of COVID, as you all know, so COVID protocols will also be followed for this elections, and preparations in that line are also going ahead. So these are some of the significant areas in which the preparation is being undertaken. Voting, of course, is in the annex hall of the Assembly, which is located in the Rilbong temporary Assembly premises. That is the venue where we had the Rajya Sabha elections, and also previously 2017 also we had it there itself. And as you know, the ARO is an official of the Assembly as well as all the other officers. From Office of the CEO, we are here to coordinate and to supervise and to oversee these preparations. Apart from that, Well, all preparations for the upcoming presidential elections are on track. He has expressed his intention to vote from Shillong. So he has already sent his application to Election Commission in the prescribed manner, and from Election Commission I'm sure they will communicate their necessary approval in that respect.